There's a very high chance that you came across this beautiful island nation through this movie named Madagascar. And if you're also excited to visit this island, which is the fourth largest in the world and will bring you face to face with this cute little animal of which they have more than 100 species, we will make it possible. In this video, we will tell you everything you need to know before applying for visa, step-by-step application process through us, and some travel tips for you in the end. Starting with stuff you should know before you do anything. First, Madagascar provides e-visa to every nationality. Second, a traveler gets single entry visa with these validities. Third, you will get a visa in less than a week. Fourth, having a tentative itinerary ready before starting application is ideal. And lastly, you will require soft copies of these things. Simple enough? Hope you're taking notes. If not, refer the video description. Moving on to the application process. There are two ways to submit your visa application. You can do it through Atlas or you can do it on your own. Let's start with the Atlas way. The link to apply for Madagascar e-visa through Atlas is in the video description below. When you click on that, you will land on this page. On the left side, you will find all the important information like the visa type, application process, FAQs and more. Read through the same and whenever you're ready, start your application. The platform will then ask your departure date and once you confirm the same, your application will begin. From there, all you need to do is to sit straight when we click your picture, to steadily hold front page of your passport and some details about yourself and your travel plans. Once you've done the same and paid the government fees, you will be set. You can easily track your application by downloading our app. The app will reflect your visa on the promised date and time. So, was it easy? Let's show you how the same will look like when you do this on your own. Head to this website, see how they have mentioned here what to do before you start. Make a note. Now, when you click on apply, you will land here. Next, click on here to register. You will be asked to fill in details about yourself and verify your email. Once you do that, log in through your newly created email and password. Once you are in the portal, this will be your first page. Now, start your application. There will be two pages. First will ask your details along with your passport information and second will require you to share your stay details and the type of visa you want. Once done, click on validate to move further. You will see now the portal bringing you back to the first page, but your application status will be updated. So go ahead, make the payment and the process will be completed. Now the embassy will take a week or two to give a decision and if approved, you will receive your e-visa over email. It will look something like this. And we are through with the visa process. If you still have questions, drop them in the comments below. Next up, travel tips for you shared by our very own travel influencer. Yup, he is in Madagascar. Keep cash with you, there won't be any ATMs around and local exchange rates would be better. Have a first aid kit in your backpack. Hire a local driver to drive you around. Roads are not the best in Madagascar. Visit during the dry season for ideal weather. Learn basic Spanish to navigate around the city. Very few people speak English. And lastly, don't miss trying local dishes like rice with Zippo meat and tropical fruits. And that's all from us. We hope that you receive your visa soon. This was everything you need to know about the tourist visa application process of Madagascar. Again, feel free to ask any questions you may have in the comment section below. We would be happy to solve the same. We will be back soon with another episode of How to Visa with Atlas. Till then, explore more guides as well as our vlogs to draw inspiration for your future adventures. Travel safe. See you soon.